David Burns, a NASA engineer, came up with a novel idea for a space engine called the Helical Engine that could get us to the stars far faster. With no need for fuel, this engine could travel nearly as fast as light. Ions are sped up to relativistic speeds, confined in electric and magnetic fields, and made to travel in a closed loop. The helical chamber, however, needs to be 200 meters in length, 12 meters in diameter, and generate 165 megawatts to produce 1 newton of thrust. However, given enough time and energy, the engine may approach the speed of light to within 99%. Burns acknowledges the work has not been examined and that mistakes may have been made, but he insists that we must press on toward the stars. Cost estimates are unavailable since helical engines are still in the early stages of development and have not been put through their paces in any kind of rigorous testing environment. Research, development, and testing of the helical engine could take years, if not decades, before it is possible to say whether or not it could be produced. However, it could be the only way to learn more about the Big Bang and its aftermath.